back to Auto Review Pro, where we dive deep into the most exciting machines on the road. And today, we're looking at something truly next level. This is the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a rolling luxury mansion built on serious truck DNA. Designed for those who want power, prestige, and pure comfort, all in one unstoppable package. This motorhome is not just about traveling. It's about arriving in style wherever the road takes you. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome makes an instant statement. The bold, commanding front fascia carries that classic Kenworth presence, with a massive chrome-accented grille and sharp LED headlights that give it a futuristic yet authoritative look. The paint finish is deep, glossy, and premium, often paired with elegant gold or metallic accents that elevate it into true luxury territory. This motorhome sits high, wide, and long, with multiple axles and massive wheels that not only look intimidating, but also hint at the serious engineering underneath. Smooth body lines flow from the cab to the rear living module, blending truck toughness with high-end motorhome design. Large panoramic windows, integrated lighting, and power steps all add to the upscale feel, making it clear this is built for elite long-distance touring. Step inside, and the transformation is incredible. The interior of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Premium leather seating, handcrafted wood trims, brushed metal accents, and ambient LED lighting create a warm, modern atmosphere. The driver's cockpit is highly advanced, featuring a digital instrument cluster, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, Bluetooth, voice controls, and full smartphone connectivity. The seats are air suspended, heated, ventilated, and fully adjustable, ensuring maximum comfort even on the longest drives. Moving into the living area, space is generous and intelligently designed. You'll find plush sofas, a dining area, and a fully equipped luxury kitchen with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, freezer, and ample storage cabinets. Everything feels solid, refined, and thoughtfully placed. The bedroom offers a king-size bed with premium mattress quality, built-in wardrobes, smart storage solutions, and large windows for natural light. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a luxury shower, modern fixtures, premium finishes, and hotel-level comfort. This motorhome is designed so you can live on the road without sacrificing any of the comforts of home. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is built on a powerful, heavy-duty platform. Under the hood, it is expected to feature a high-performance diesel engine, likely producing over 500 horsepower with massive torque output, ensuring effortless cruising even with a fully loaded setup. The engine is paired with a smooth automatic transmission designed for long-haul efficiency and reliability. Advanced suspension systems provide a surprisingly smooth ride, while stability control, traction management, and adaptive braking systems keep everything safe and controlled. Despite its size, this motorhome handles highways with confidence, making long journeys relaxed and stress-free. Technology and safety are a big focus here as well. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is expected to come loaded with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, collision mitigation, and advanced braking assistance. These systems not only enhance safety, but also reduce driver fatigue during long trips. Smart climate control, onboard power management systems, solar integration options, and high-capacity generators ensure you're comfortable and self-sufficient wherever you park. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is clearly aimed at the ultra-luxury segment. Depending on customization, interior specifications, and optional upgrades, prices are expected to start around the high six-figure range and can easily cross into the million-dollar territory. This is not a motorhome for everyone. But for those who demand the absolute best in comfort, performance, and road presence, it delivers unmatched value. In conclusion, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a masterpiece of engineering and luxury. It combines the raw strength of a heavy-duty truck with the elegance of a high-end luxury home on wheels. From its imposing exterior and lavish interior to its powerful performance and advanced technology, this motorhome redefines what premium road travel truly means. If you're someone who believes the journey should be just as extraordinary as the destination, this machine is built exactly for you. Thanks for watching Auto Review Pro, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy premium automotive content like this.